Oh, not another broken window. That's the second tractor window this summer. I could imagine if that rock would have hit me in the head, or worse, if that happened to one of my family members. I'm not taking any more chances. I'm going to order a rock block now.
The Rock Block fits most machines in the area. This patented technology is proven to reduce rocks and debris from flying up and damaging tractor cab windows. Prevent the expense of another tractor window and possibly a trip to the hospital. Visit therockblock.net today.